Navigating office talk. Clarifying a coworker's needs. Hello, language learners. Today, we are diving into a very important aspect of conversational English in the workplace, offering assistance and clarifying your coworker's needs. This skill is not only about language proficiency, but also about active listening, empathy, and effective communication. We'll guide you step by step on how to handle these situations and improve your language skills along the way. In any language, active listening is key. When your coworker is explaining something, it's crucial to really pay attention. Not only will this help you understand their needs better, but it will also make them feel valued and heard. In active listening, you should pay attention to what your coworker is saying, how they're saying it, non-verbal cues, like body language and facial expressions. Remember, understanding doesn't always come immediately. That's where clarification comes in. Clarification in a conversation means asking your coworker to provide more information or detail, helping you better understand their needs. This is a critical part of effective communication. You can use phrases like, "Could you please explain a bit more about? I want to make sure I understand. Are you saying? So, you need me to, is that correct?" These phrases demonstrate active listening and that you're making an effort to fully grasp their needs. Now, let's take these concepts and see them in action. We're going to role-play some common scenarios you might encounter in an office environment. 1. Scenario 1. Misunderstanding a task. Coworker, could you please draft a report on our quarterly sales? You, I want to make sure I understand. Are you asking for a report including all our product sales for the past 3 months? 2. Scenario 2. Unclear request. Coworker, we need to update the design for our product page. You, could you please explain a bit more about what kind of updates you're looking for? 3. Scenario 3. Confirming a need. Coworker, I need some assistance with this presentation. You, so, you need help with putting together the slides for the presentation. Is that correct? Remember, practicing these scenarios is a great way to build your comfort and fluency with this kind of language use. And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, active listening and asking for clarification aren't signs of weakness or confusion. They're important tools in your communication toolbox that show your attentiveness and commitment to understanding your coworkers' needs. We hope this video will be helpful to you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and happy learning.